Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have Truecaller ready with permissions. Now act. First, open the app and either paste or search the number you want to report. Once the number appears, inspect the profile details and call log to confirm repeated unwanted behavior. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before proceeding. This links your report to your device. If it's in recent calls, tap the entry, otherwise paste the number into search. Proceed immediately to the reporting options to avoid losing context. Once you're on the numbers page, choose Report or Report Spam from the three-dot menu. This is the core action. You'll be prompted to pick a reason. Select the most accurate label like telemarketing or scam to help Truecaller classify it. Add a concise comment describing frequency or script used because context improves detection. Before submitting, you can also toggle block to stop calls immediately. After you submit, the report is sent to Truecaller's moderation and contributes to the community database. After submitting, you'll see a confirmation. Make sure the number appears in your reports or blocked list so the action took effect. If you later discover a mistake, go back to the profile and choose Unreport or Remove Report to correct it. If the report fails or the option is missing, first update Truecaller and clear cache, then retry. Persistent issues may require reinstalling the app or contacting Truecaller support. Remember, accurate reasons and comments improve future automated tagging, so be specific.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.